Okay, this is a brief video just to show you very quickly how to make really nice graphs in Excel. Now, my Excel will look slightly different to yours because I'm using the Mac version, not the Windows version, but the principles are almost identical in the way that it generally does graph drawing. Now, you'll see that I've got a small table here. Basically what we did, we went out and we surveyed two shirts, share A, share B, and we collected an average percentage cover of 3 different species of seaweed, Fucus borealis, fasciculosus, serratus. We've also got a standard error of the mean for shore A and shore B, which was calculated following the approach from Wikipedia, which is to use a standard deviation, square root of the count divided by the standard deviation of a particular range of values which make a mean. Okay? You can see how to calculate that in a different video that's available. But for this one, all we're going to do is draw a graph which shows 2 bars, 1 bar for shore A, 1 bar for shore B, with groups of bars for each seaweed species. All we're going to do is just select the whole area here, which contains the major data that we want to make a chart with. And click on the Chart tab, so Insert Chart, and we'll go Clustered Column. And it might just be off the screen here, but it's a clustered column. And you see it automatically generates a graph which is fairly good. You could attempt to copy that into your report. I'd rather you didn't, because it's a bit crowded at the moment. I've just made a second one. So there's a couple of points that we need to do here to make this the perfect graph possible. First one, I'm going to delete these lines. I just clicked it, press delete. I'm going to delete this as well. We don't need it. And you see immediately the graph starts to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And you see that we don't have a label on the Y or the X axis, which basically explains what it is. You see at the top, Chart Layout, Format. These 2 buttons here allow you to change the major parts of the graph. And we see I'm looking for axis titles, vertical axis title, and we select rotated title. And you see we've got something here. We can select that text. And I'm just going to put percentage cover in there. Now, but on the X axis, I'm going to put the title below. Seaweed species. Okay? The graph is starting to come together now. You see I'm just going to get rid of the bold front face on that particular thing. Right click on it, Format Axis Title, Format Text. We have to wait a second when my computer decides to think about what I want it to do. Brings up this prompt here. I'm going to change this irregular, increase the font size slightly. I think I make it 12, not 14. And I have to go back and change this one to make sure that is the same. Okay, so we start getting there now. The other thing is that we've got a border going around the outside now of the figure. I'm going to remove that. Format Chart Area. Line. No line. And you see that we've now got rid of that border that wasn't needed. Bit of a problem with our horizontal axis. Species names are not in italic, but I'm just going to change that by right clicking and then going through. We've now got italicized name. So on the whole, that's not too bad. But I'm not happy with this shaded, disgusting blue and red colour. I'm going to right click. I'm going to change Format Data Series. And I'm going to go Fill. I'm going to make that black. This one, I'm going to right click, Format Data Series. I'm going to go Fill White. Change the line to be a black line. Okay, you now see how we've got a much clearer graph compared to that one than before. What is missing are some error bars now. we're going to add those next. We just click the plot. You see in the chart layout button, we got error bars tab. You can choose these auto-generated ones, but they're not going to work for us. So we're going to choose error bar options. And we're going to where is my there we go. So we're going to add some error bars, but they might not be actually right. Okay, so we've got standard error, and you see it just ticking up at the top. We're just going to double click the error bars, and we're going to prompt here, error bars at the top, we're going to go custom, specify value, positive error value, and we're working on show array at the moment. And then we're going to go negative error value, which is the same, and click OK. Okay, so we've now got error bars for the black bars, which are correct and they're variable in size, and you can see that for the white bars, show B, they're all the same size, which means that they're absolutely bogus. Custom again, specify value, and we're now going to select show B. And OK. Okay, and there we go. We've now got error bars on our plot, which essentially show very well what's going on. That is really it. From that to that, in less than 5 minutes, you've gone from an automatically generated graph which shows no evidence whatsoever of self-thinking compared to one which is professional quality, capable of being published, and absolutely everything is right with it.